So in this demonstration, I'm going to break down some of the ways that job costing happens via a case within PrintVis, as well as the invoicing features that we have within the system. So to begin with, I'm going to start with a case in the status of job costing. This has gone through the production cycle and has even gone out to shipping, and now we're just looking to see how it's costed. Now there are a couple ways that we go about this from the case. First is this job costing entry here. Now this allows us to see a kind of overview of the quote, order, and actual that was attributed to this job, as well as any hour entries that I have from the shop floor workers that have assigned and incurred time on this job, the item entries that were used, and if anything was purchased as well, I'm able to see. If I wanted to quickly generate a job costing report, I can do so and easily see my deviation from the norm, general information, as well as a breakdown of every department or how it was costed. Now, finally here, if I wanted to look into my job costing journal and maybe post directly the consumption that I have for this job, what I can do here is import all of the components of this job with the hours, the setup and make ready, production, even down to the individual items that I was using for this job. All have a quantity and certain hours assigned to them. I can simply process and post this directly from my job costing journal here, and that will post directly to my financials. I'm going to change the status so we can talk about invoicing. Now, the way invoicing happens on a case is through the invoicing guide. I've created an invoice already here, but I want to open that up and just see what it looks like. You can see that I've very easily created an invoice here within the system based off of a standard template that I'm using. Now, this template is going to allow me to pull in different information. I can assign lines or set it up in a way that makes our invoices standard every time we're using them. Once I've completed with that, I can simply process, and I would have the option of posting. And then I'm able to see my completed sales invoice as you are here. So that concludes the conversation around job costing and invoicing here within PrintVis. If you're interested in any other topics, please check out the other videos that we have available. And if you have any questions, reach out to a Clients First team member. Thanks.